Welcome to Learn New Technology. In this video, we are going to see how we can download, install and path setting Java. So this is a command line. Before installing Java, we are checking whether how it's responding. So it says that not recognition as a internal or external command. So now we are going to install the Java. So let's go to website. How to download the Java. Let's see. So let's open the Chrome browser now. Google.com, let's type it, then download Java Oracle. So the first link we can open. So here I'm going to install Java 8 for the demo purpose. So JDK download we need to click on, then we need to JRE download. These two links we need to click on and download the exe file from there. So for me, I have already downloaded, so I got these two exes, JDK as well as JRE. So the first one we need to click on JDK. So I have clicked on. So let's wait for the response. So it's need to click on next button. So let's click on next. It started installation. So it's going to complete now. Let's wait for that. Then click on next. So it's asking where you need to keep the files. So after we complete this flow, we need to select JRE, that is Java Runtime Environment. That also we need to install. Let's wait for the installation complete this one. It's going to complete now. So we can, it says that successfully installed. So we can click on close button. Then we need to install JRE, that is Java Runtime Environment. So my bit is 64-bit, that's why I have downloaded this 64. So I have clicked on JRE exe. So it started going to install now. So need to click on install. It started. It's going to complete now. Let's wait for that. So next, let's see how we can configure the path also. So successfully installed Java. Our installation process we have completed. So let's move on to configure the path. Further, what you have to do is you need to go to C drive, then Java program files, then go to Java, then get into JDK, then get into bin folder, then copy this path, then let's get into this PC, right click, then get into properties, then here click on environment variables, then here go to system variable, then click on go to path, then click on edit, then click on new, then paste this path, click on ok. Then next what we need to do is need to go to JRE folder, get into bin folder, then copy the path, then next here click on edit, click on new, then paste it. That is all. So both we are doing in path only, path section only. Then click on ok. So then we can complete it. Then let's go to command prompt. Let's check it out. Java space hyphen version. So it's providing Java version. It's successfully installed. Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe my channel.